Hi guys, good morning. Today is August 23 and this video is a very throwback. Like the next following clips or the next following videos was taken April. So that was the time when yung sofa namin was delivered and it was Hubby who took the video. Everything he unpacked it, he assembled it, and he really took effort to do the filming because kasi nga I was at work and I was not able to film it, and he can't wait until I got back. That was around 10 p.m. So the sofa arrived like around 7 or 6 p.m. and then babalik ako sa galing trabaho mga 10 p.m. na, so it's already late. So he took a videos, and then he said nung bumalik ako dito sa apartment, sabi niya, look at the camera. And then when I look at it, he was filming, and I was so like, wow, he's like, I didn't expect that, guys. So if you're interested to see how he did it, just keep on watching. And wait guys, this video or the last part of the video is already the latest. This is already how our sofa looks like, with the table, with the carpet, like that. So if you're interested to see how Happy did the video, just keep on watching.
So today we got our couch, finally, after 8 weeks of waiting. It's finally here. So let's assemble it.
So guys, this is already the latest, August 23, 2019. So this is our sofa looks like. So there. Ito yung always place ko, and dito si asawa. Dito yung place niya parati. Tapos salitan kami. Dito siya minsan at dito din ako minsan. Pero most of the time, I'm sitting in this side. So there is our sofa. Wala muna kaming mga dyan guys, mga pillows, mga throw pillows kasi parang madami ng mga pillows dito. So I'm still thinking kung maglalagay ba ako ng pillows or hindi na. Ito yung sa kabilang sides. So, ganyan siya. Hindi ko naayos yung mga pillows na dyan. Pero, ito yung carpet na napili namin. Para siyang same color as sa floor. Hindi ko type yun at first. Pero, nung natagalan na, okay naman siya. Nasanay na din. Tapos, itong table na to is, we will change it. Pero, hindi pa kami nakakita ng table na magkakasya. Teka lang, ayusin ko lang muna tong ginaganon ko to eh. Ganito talaga siya, yung style niya, ganyan. Ganyan yan. Pero si Hubby, gusto niya yung ganyan talaga yan. Yung parang fish scale. Pero si Hubby, gusto niya yung ganito na style. Ganyan. Gusto niya yung ganyan na style. So, mas malaki siya guys. Siguro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Siguro mga 6 people will gonna fit it if it's a Filipino size. Pero pag Norwegian size, siguro mga 1, 2, 3, 4. Siguro 4 to 5. Siguro yung magkasya dyan. So, nabili namin tong sofa sa Shaidar at nakasale siya guys nung binili namin. Ilalagay ko lang yung link if you want to look at it. If you're living in Norway and you want to look at it. Itong sofa na nabili namin is iba yung niya, mirror siya sa parang naka-display dun sa store nila. So, itong nasa side ko to, ito yung mas mas maliit yung side dito. Tapos, dun naman sa kabila, yung side na dun is yun yung mahaba. Tapos, dito sa side is yun yung yung maliit na side. Tapos, sinabi namin na pwede bang ibaliktad yung style niya. So, okay naman daw. At naghintay kami around mga 3 months. Na-order namin siya last week of January. And then, dumating siya mga mga April. Mid in April. Mga ganun. Mas nauna pa tong sofa kaysa sa table. So, ipapakita ko lang yung table mga next few weeks kasi nga mas nauna itong sofa kaysa sa table. So, ang late ko kasi mag-upload guys kasi I don't have so much time to edit. At tingnan niyo yung yung flower na. Nabili ko to sa may plantation. Maganda siya no. Ito 'di ba, merong ganito sa Pinas, ganito. Tapos ito yung anong tawag dito? Succulent. Teka lang, focus. Yan. Yan, yung succulent. Tapos, meron siyang dito. Pa-flower. And, meron siyang paganito. Welcome to the beach. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Ang cute. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I upload new videos.